guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good day. I am gonna go through everything that happened today, as well as what to look out for, as well as yeah, just watch the video. So initially we just opened this pretty good area right here. We had the purple coming in from here, so we had this huge gap up in the morning as well, opened up above the 5-day, right? However, you have to notice for that tapering orange, um, I'm gonna, oh my god, I see it in this. So once you pay attention to that tapering orange, you understand where the risk to reward managed is, and as well as that tapering teal that formed, right? That you also have to pay attention to, right? So once we build that liquidity from this head with this engulfing candle right here, you can see that we lacked the continuation, and we tapered around teal at the end of the day, right? And went in a chop for the rest of the day, right? So when you understand that there's no continuation here, you can either call it a day, right? Or just wait for that better structure, right? If you're headed down, we would have waited for the right shoulder off of yellow, orange here, and teal, and then taking a short, right? You don't want to short this too early. You don't want to short this. You want to wait for confirmation, as well as even going longs. You want to wait for confirmations, right? Some type of either better risk to reward, right? And then closing the cup, right? Because we still have the cup to close. So it's a lot to pay attention to. It's a lot to pay attention for. And I'm going to try to show you that in the 5-minute, right? So you can see the clear bounce off of purple, right? And then the move up, right? There was a good short opportunity here as well. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, all the way down. But you can see that we bounced off of purple, right? As well as the teal right here. So that was very important to look out for. So there was 2 trades essentially today, the short and then also the move up. I'm going to draw the algos right here as well, right? Right, so I'm going to show you that intraday now. I don't know what I just pressed. Hopefully it's the right button. Okay, perfect. So the 1 minute, I'm going to first show you the short. So the short was a pretty good short in my opinion. There was a lot of structure behind it, a lot of confirmations, right? First, there's the orange algo, right? I'm gonna actually screen brush. Let me see. Time sadness. So the summertime sadness. All right. So screen brush. Okay. So the first we want to do is orange. Okay. Wanna hear to know. First is the orange algo right here, right? So first structure is left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of here. And this is a really good right shoulder because left shoulder, head, right shoulder of a microstructure that we got. Then the break all the way down, right? Then we have that teal right here, right? So something to pay attention to, the teal, right? Which is what we had, right? The whole day, right? And essentially left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of teal. We close this inverse cup right here. The handle, same orange algo, right? So the orange algo appeared here again, right? So you can see that, right? So, however, although you notice that we have a little bit of tapering right here, right? Purple, right? So you just have to wait for a better risk to reward, which happened exactly at around, I think, 12:14. Oh no, 12:02 is when I took my trade. So I took it actually at the, hold on. Right? So there was multiple algos here. There's a break at 0 right here, right? So this is the trade I took. I believe my entry was at 1202 right here, all the way down to teal and 5-day. However, you see that we lacked that continuation right here, and we started heading up. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder off of purple right here, right? And that gave us that strong buying continuation to the top of teal, right? Um, then we have the blue algo as well, right? Right. So at the end of the day, we're just chopping. And we just kept chopping for the rest of the day. And I know it just didn't come out perfect, but I hope you guys understood some of the algos. Um, but yeah, so essentially, where we're going from here, right? You do have to pay attention here because um, the tapering teal has been pretty um, a good resistance area. So what's gonna happen from now is um, first we need to see the break completely down, test teal again, form the head off of yellow, then some type of microstructure with yellow right here, and then you can take it all the way down to purple again, right? So from here to here is gonna be a pretty good another 1 point move. So you want to look out for that. And then if depends on the selling that we have, we can easily break down and keep breaking down and close the inverse cup all the way down at 600, right? So if you do want to wait for the bigger structure, bigger play, you can wait for the inverse cup to close at 600 for more confirmation. Um, and yeah, or if you can find good structure that forms off of teal right here, right? With a strong selling, right? That can bring us all the way down to 600. Yeah, that's also another good play, right? Um, but you also want to wait for that right shoulder off of 600 and then target purple back here. So there's definitely a bigger trade here from 600. An easier trade as well. But again, if you're headed up as well, we need to be careful. We need to um, break up above the teal, so left shoulder head, and then right shoulder, left shoulder head, right shoulder off of teal, as well as purple. You need to see that, and then close the cup, right? Or you could just wait for just the cup to close first, um, and then take it from there, right? So either such situation, you just want to wait for confirmations, right? That's pretty much it. And I hope you guys have a great day. Trade with structured demands. And I'd like to emphasize one thing with trading. You are basically the hunter. You are the shopper. I don't get why people rush trades, especially with trades that they're not confident in, because at the end of the day, you are managing like it's like you're the buyer, right? You're basically choosing what looks good to you or what and if it doesn't look good to you, why trade it, right? So that's something you guys have to pick up on, and something that you guys have to learn, that not every trade, even if the trade happens, if it does, it's not to your liking, it doesn't meet your requirements, why trade it, right? There's no need to trade it. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, and be smart and shop as structure demands.